Yo, what's up my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. As you saw from the last episode, we've stopped the fuel leak, took the car for a joyride and everything. So on this episode, what we're going to do is remove these Oz wheels. Got another set of wheels to go on. So let's show ya and see what you all think, yo. So, they're a set of 616s. Look, bad boy, hey? What do you lot think? Joking. But that would kind of look mad, you know, if it was dished out and slammed. What you lot saying, man? Only joking. Let's show you what they look like. That's the 15s. And here are the rims that's going on. I think they're gonna look alright. Not bad. What are you lot saying? Let's get them on. Let's fit them up. And yeah, man. Jeez. Also, geez, you don't know how far I went to go pick these up. All the way from Worcester. Yeah, sure. In the D-blurbs. This thing done awesome. Happy with it. Filled up the rims with it. What did I do? Like 333 miles, put £50 worth of diesel, and literally empty now, so need to fuel it up again, but done well. Well done, D-blurbs. Well done. You know what time it is now? We've got to give it the shove up and get them on. Shabba, 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 shabba. Right, after you've given it enough shabba, you put the axle stands on, if you can find in place, just for extra measures. And not just that, we can do 2 wheels at the same time. I hope that's enough off the ground. Let's find out. And yeah, let's actually see if these fit and how they look. Well, would you look at that? Banging, straight fit, happy days. Remember, put on by hand first. Now that the wheels are on, what do you lot think of it? the last two things that I know what we got to do is let the handbrake down, which we're going to do now, and potentially take it for a test drive, but I might not even bother taking it for a test drive. But yeah, just let the handbrake down and see how it settles. So I think it looks pretty smart with them on, not too bad at all. The Mitsubishi as well, after all. And yeah, I did go 300 miles odd to go get them. But let me know what you lot think in that comment section. And the next video is we're gonna clean it up, make it look a bit blinging and sweet now that the wheels are on, so we can clean the wheels at the same time. But other than that, like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay charged, y'all. Cheers!